Hello, and welcome to another Super Support video. Today, we will walk you through how to join a carrier as a driver. The first thing you will want to do is head to your phone's App Store. This may be the App Store on the iPhone or the Google Play Store on an Android phone. From there, please use the search function and search for Super Dispatch. Once you've found the app that looks like what you see on your screen, please click Download. Once the app has finished downloading, please click Open to continue. Once your phone has opened the Super Dispatch app, click Create Driver Account. From here, you will want to enter your email address. Then you will want to enter your first name, last name, an excellent secure password, your phone number, and finally, the carrier's USDOT number. Once you have entered the USDOT number, please click Verify. Once verified, you will see a message that says, a carrier with this USDOT number already exists in Super Dispatch. Please request to join this carrier. From there, click Send Request. Once done, you will see a message that lets you know a request has been sent. You will need to get in touch with the owner of the email address listed. They will have to be the ones to approve the request. A member of our support team cannot verify this request for you. Only the owner of the email address listed on the account can do so. And that's it. You are now ready to go. If you have any additional questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to contact Super Dispatch support at support@superdispatch.com.